Welcome to this short video about how to make a screencast for your presentation due next Wednesday. So when you want to make a screencast, have your PowerPoint slides that you're going to use at the ready. And I'm just going to use the succession act as an example here. Then open Screencast-O-Matic. So just Google Screencast-O-Matic. It should be the first result. Click on it. It should open Screencast-O-Matic website. Click the blue button, start recording for free, and then the red button, launch free recorder. Takes a few minutes to load up, and whenever you're asked for permissions, click yes, and then a box should open, black and white edged box, and everything inside the black and white edged box will be recorded, everything outside of it will not. Make sure your audio is functioning. You should be able to see the green bars coming up and down here. And then click record. Okay, so before you click record, you want to have everything in place. So open up your PowerPoint, click record, go to slideshow, and from current slide. And then you should have this display where you get to see your slideshow, narrate over your slideshow. It's a good idea to have an introductory slide with a couple of bullet points describing the content of the presentation. It's a good idea to structure the presentation along the lines of ILAC, because this is effectively a problem question in presentation form. So give a short summary of the facts of the problem question, give a short summary of the legal rules applicable, then apply the rules to the fact-based scenario, and then conclude what you think the outcome will be. So when you've done all that, click pause, click done, save and upload. You can edit, but I would recommend that you don't mess around with that when you're not familiar with the software. Then you can play back your video to check it's working fine. So you can see that's working. Click upload to YouTube. As I said, there's the option to save as a video file. I think though that will cause problems on Moodle if people try to upload large video files which take up a lot of memory. You can save it as a video file and then upload the video file to Moodle, and you then have a backup of it if you like. You can also upload to Screencast-O-Matic. I've never used that. If you're saving it as a video file, you can save it as an AVI or an MP4. There's no difference between them really. They're both playable on most video players, so that's fine. So I'm going with upload to YouTube, and then to copy and paste the YouTube link into Moodle. So click upload to YouTube, click publish. It'll take a few minutes to publish a lengthy video recording, like 7.5 minutes. So it might take 4 to 5 minutes to render that, so translate it into a usable format. And then when that hits 100%, you'll be offered the option to copy a link to it on YouTube and to publish it to YouTube. Now, the first time you use Screencast-O-Matic, you'll have to give permission to access your YouTube account. I've already uploaded videos to YouTube before, so it'll just offer me this opportunity to copy the link to YouTube right now. And that's the link I'll paste into Moodle. You haven't done that yet, so you'll click done. And then when you go to YouTube, so open up YouTube on your through your Gmail apps, and you'll find your video under your videos. So you can see here, this hasn't updated because I had it open already. So if I just refresh the page, the new video has been uploaded here by Screencast-O-Matic 11 seconds ago, and you can check that it's working. So that's working fine. So we can share that then to Moodle. So this is the link here that you're going to share to Moodle. So copy that and then go to the AIT Moodle page. Okay, so you get the idea. Log into Moodle, upload it to the link provided, and that will be your assignment completed. Okay, I hope this has been a helpful video, and if you have any questions, feel free to email me or bring them up in the online classes.